And yes, open fresh page in your classwork and write today's date 27-3-21. What is the day today? Today is Saturday. Say to you are DAY Saturday. Okay, now I am going to explain you types of angles. Types of angles. Yes, children, types of angles. Come on, write. Types of angles. We have different types, 6 types of angles here. What are those? First one, yesterday I said you, whenever you have like this, L, exact L, this is 90 degrees. What is it? 90 degrees. 90 degrees, which angle, children? 90 degrees means it is right angle. Yes, the measure of right angle is 90 degrees. Yes, this is right angle. First one is right angle. Right angle. Yes, first one is right angle. Write the point. The measure of right angle is right angle is 90 degrees. Every time right angle triangle बोले तो ऐसा L shape रहता है पक्का straight गा एनी degrees उन्टदा दी 90 degrees. Okay, see this is A B C angle. ఇలా రాస్తే ఇది angle A B C. B దగ్గర angle form అయింది కదా, B should be in between. Is equal to any degrees? 90 degrees. Angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. Now, what is the second one? This is first one and this is second one, children. Second one is acute angle. Acute angle means 10 degrees నుంచి 80 degrees వరకు. Less than 90. 90 కంటే తక్కువ ఉండే యాంగిల్ ఏమంటాం? Acute angle. This is 40 degrees. MNO. Acute angle. What is it? Acute. Acute అంటే 90 కంటే తక్కువ ఉండే యాంగిల్. Acute angle. Acute angle means it is always less than 90. Yes, acute angle means it is always less than 90 degrees. Okay, acute angle is an angle whose measure is less than 90 degrees. Right, what is acute angle? Acute angle is an angle is an angle whose measure is MEASURE measure is less than 90 degrees. Less than 90 degrees. 90 కంటే తక్కువ ఉంటే ఏం యాంగిల్ అంటాం? Acute angle. Okay, shall I write right angle now? Yes. Now obtuse angle. Obtuse angle ante more than 90. Right. Yes. Now obtuse angle. What is the third one, children? Obtuse. Obtuse ante ఇప్పటిదాకా తక్కువ ఉంటే 90 కంటే తక్కువ ఉంటే అక్యూట్ అయింది కదా, 90 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటే అబ్ట్యూస్ యాంగిల్. చిచిలే 90 అన్నప్పుడు ఇలా వస్తుంది, 90 కంటే తక్కువ అంటే దీని లోపల వచ్చే లైన్స్, 90 కంటే ఎక్కువ అంటే దిస్ సైడ్, ఇట్ గోస్ దిస్ సైడ్. ఆల్ మోర్ దాన్ ఎల్ కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటే ఇవన్నీ ఏంటి ఇట్లా ఉంటాయి యాంగిల్, ఇట్లా ఎల్ అంటే ఇట్లానే ఉంటుంది కదా, ఇక్కడ సైడ్ వచ్చేస్తే ఇదేంటి అబ్ట్యూస్ యాంగిల్. వాట్ ఈస్ ఇట్ చిల్డ్రన్? అబ్ట్యూస్. Yes, come on, right now. What is an obtuse angle? obtuse angle is an angle whose measure is more than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle is an angle whose measure is more than 90 degrees. Okay, see. degrees ఉందనుకోండి, it is obtuse. M కాదు, LMN, angle LMN is equal to ఎన్ని degrees అని రాసాం? 100. is an obtuse angle. obtuse angle. acute అంటే less than 90. 90 అంటే ఏం యాంగిల్? రైట్ యాంగిల్. 90 से ज़्यादा है तो obtuse angle. Okay. Come on, write this. Straight angle. Yes, shall I say you straight angle now? Straight angle. Fourth one is straight angle. Straight angle means it is formed on the straight line. Straight angle. Straight angle. Straight angle is an angle of 180 degrees. It forms a straight line. Straight angle is an angle of angle I am writing here, ANGLE, angle of 180 degrees. Yes, 180 degrees. It forms a straight line. It forms a straight line. STRAIGHT, straight line. LINE, line, straight line. Yes. Now straight angle means, see how it will be. It will be on a straight line. Ikkada middle lo, here 1 point, here 1 point. Here the angle is 180 degrees. Straight angle ante enni degrees untadi? 180 degrees. COA. Yes, COA. Any name we can give, but they should be in a capital letters. Yes, angle COA is 180 degrees. It's straight angle. Okay, now reflex angle. Shall I rub this and write reflex and complete angle? Okay, now reflex angle, children. Fifth one is reflex angle. Reflex angle. Wait, I'll write again. Reflex is not been seen. REFLEX, reflex angle. Okay, what is a reflex angle? Reflex is an angle that measures more than 180. See children, If it is straight line, we say it is straight angle. Then it is not even straight. It is more than straight. Here it is reflex angle. Yes? It is more than straight. So it is reflex angle. Okay? See. Reflex angle is an angle. Reflex angle is an angle that is more than 180. More than 180 degrees. 180 degrees. But less than 360. But less than 360. Less than 360. Okay children, this is reflex angle. Reflex angle how to draw? See, like this. It is reflex angle here. BOA. It is reflex angle. Now, complete angle. Complete angle. Complete angle. Complete angle means complete angle is an angle of measure. Complete angle is an angle of measure is equal that 360 degrees. Okay children, 360 degrees. 360 degrees means here will be the angle and here will be the line. See, itla muttam round circle angle is complete angle here. O B A. Okay children, it is a complete angle. Yes children, with this we have completed all the whole chapter. We are not going to learn about protractor. Yes, protractor I will show you in the next class. Yes, with this we have completed that. I will say some sums regarding the types of angles. That's all. Okay. I'll send you in the WhatsApp today in the WhatsApp group this sums children. This aim angle antaru. Yes children, it is less than 90. What angle is this? If it is less than 90, what angle it is? It is acute angle. Yes. It is, see children, it is reflex angle. Yes, it is not reflex angle. Because it is not straight line, it came down. It is reflex angle. Now here right angle. L shape unte eppudu kuda right angle. And this is straight. On the straight line it is asking you to say. This is straight angle. Yes, I am just explaining you. I will send you these pictures and the angle, everything written in the WhatsApp group. Here it is again right angle. And this is reflex angle. Okay. That's all children. We have completed our chapter. Okay. Thank you.